Hello, welcome back with another video of my YouTube channel Kavin, and I hope you guys doing well. So as you already had been seeing in my thumbnail, we're going to cover up around Geelong Waterfront, which is a beautiful coastal city of Victoria. Geelong is the second largest city in Victoria after the capital of Melbourne and takes around 1.5 hour drive from Melbourne CBD. The Geelong Waterfront is one of Australia's most stunning waterfront, such a hive of activity with restaurants, cafes, beautiful gardens, and plenty of public attractions. Also, you can take the Rattles train ride around Waterfront to see around leisurely while having a fun ride on it, and that was such a great thing you can do around this waterfront. So the best thing in this activity is you can enjoy this ride for 9 hours. Can you guys see this cute little boy running behind us? While we're riding, we waved on him and then he just started to run behind us, and that was the most cutest thing happened on that day. He's still coming. Okay, let's move back to this waterfront. While we're having the train ride, the train stopped near this ice cream van to get some ice cream for us. This is the second time I visited Geelong, and one of the saddest things I could find out is, you know that giant skyway located in Geelong? That has been removed for some reason. I don't have any clue the reason they closed that beautiful iconic pier, because it's been 8 months since I last visited Geelong. It's time to say goodbye to our cool train driver, and we got this picture with him. And then we started to walk along this broad path, enjoying the beautiful view around Geelong Waterfront. Here I get some kisses for boost my day. Here we come to the end of a Geelong vlog. If you like this video, please hit a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye!